Hey, what's going on? So, it's the middle of summer, the beginning of the summer, and my back patio is really hot. I live in South Louisiana, so anybody who lives, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Texas, where you're looking at 90-degree temps and above, y'all probably have the same problem. So my wife went and bought this fan. Seems like a pretty good fan, and we bought it from Harbor Freight. And I don't know, it took me maybe 20 minutes to put it together. It seems like it's gonna last. I've had some good luck with buying stuff from Harbor Freight like this. I will say this thing rips. So it's got 3 speeds. That's the low speed. And it'd be like a regular house fan, I guess, on high. And then second speed, and third speed, and that is getting it. I can almost pick that box up right there. So, I turn the camera around. So, we ended up getting the 30-inch version. There is a 21-inch version that we've had before at another house. We'll say, I think I like this one more. But that 21-inch version was really good. You can adjust the height. So this is probably about, I would say maybe 4 foot tall. And you can go down a little bit further, but you just, to raise it, you lift this, and then there's a spring in there and it pops up, and then you tighten it again. Also, you can rotate the head when you loosen this up. So you can leave the fan basically in one spot and rotate it. And you can tilt it up or down. You just loosen, oh, not that. You loosen this, and then you can tilt your fan head up or down. I will say, if you have to move this and you're a weaker person, you may want to get help because it is pretty heavy. I actually had to use a dolly to get it back here. So you know it's not going anywhere. And there's also, which I just kind of noticed, there's bolt holes in the base so you can mount it to the floor. So that might be good for like somebody with a shop and they want to keep a fan in one spot. I don't know, maybe you got problems with somebody breaking in and you don't want them to steal your fan. But I'll probably leave a link down in the description if you want to try it. I know that other one we had was really good. I'm assuming this one will be. Definitely puts out a lot of air. And I don't know. I think I'll be pleased with it. I know I was pleased with the last one. So. Oh, and by the way, the setup was easy. Yeah, I mean, it may have taken me 20, 30 minutes. And the tools that you're going to need, because you probably kind of want to know that. All I used was Phillips head, screwdriver, pair of channel locks. I would probably use a wrench next time. Not sure the size, but it is in the instructions. They were pretty easy to follow. And then you're gonna need a 5/16" wrench for mounting the cage, which was, I mean, that was probably the easiest part. If this was helpful, like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. I do want to add, if you click that link in the description and you do happen to buy this fan, I will get a small commission off of your purchase. So, thank you.